Activity book, page 10. Learn sounds with busy bee. Exercise 1. Listen and match. Then trace and say. We have here two letters, letter K and letter W. And we have some words down below. We're going to read them together, then match and trace. The first word is K-I-K, kick. Kick. It's the word kick. Starts with letter K. Which picture is kicking? Excellent. The first one. So you're going to match the picture to the word kick and then trace kick. Second word is K-Ka-R-I, Karim. Karim. We can see a boy under letter K. This is Karim. So match Karim to the picture and then trace the word. Next we have book. 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 We have letter K by the end of the word. So where's the picture of the book? Yes, it's here. Match the book to the right word and then trace book. Next, we have web. Web. It's web. Which picture is the web? Excellent. I can see here next to letter W the picture of the web. Match it to the web and then trace the word. Next word. Wa'il. Wa'il. It's another name of another boy. And we have Wa'il under letter W. So match Wa'il to his name and then trace the name Wa'il. The last word is cow. Cow. It's cow. Which picture is the cow? Excellent. Match the cow to the right word and then trace it. Activity book, page 11. Learn to write with busy bee. Exercise 1. Trace and write. We can see some words here. Let's read them. Monkey, web, kick, wet. What are we going to do in this exercise? We're going to trace and then write the right word here. Number 1, let's read. I can. In the picture, what can you see? Excellent, kick. So I'm going to choose the word kick and write it here next to the picture. And trace. I can kick. Number 2. This is a. Trace them, please. A what? Look in the picture. Excellent. A web. Which one is web? Which one is web? Excellent. This is web. Write it next to the picture of the web. Number 3. I am. Trace them, please. In the picture, I can see a boy who is monkey or wet. Wet. Excellent. Let's write the word wet next to the picture. Number 4. This is a. Excellent. A monkey. Write monkey next to the picture and trace this is a.